In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to save your data or results gotten from SPSS into your PC. Let's say this is the results you've gotten after your analysis. And to save this, you first need to go to File, scroll down to Export, then select Browse. Here, I want to save mine to desktop, so I'll change the document to desktop, and you can save yours to wherever you prefer. Under the file name, I'm saving it as ZAA, so I'll type in the file name, then click on Save. Now, where the red arrow is showing, click in there and change it to Word. That is if yours is not already on Word. After that, you click OK. You can see how fast our data has been exported. To be sure that the data has been exported, I go back to my PC, click on Desktop where I save it to, and as you can see, the data has been saved. Thank you for watching.